Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set method in the typed array. So what it does is it store multiple value in the typed array and give you awaiting input values from the specified array. So what we're gonna do is remove all of this. First we're gonna create a const buffer equals new and array buffer, and then what we're gonna do is pass 8 bits. After that, I'm gonna do is less constant uint 8, signature for creating a typed array. Now you int 8 array, and inside that what we're gonna do is pass buffer. When we're done with that, next thing what we're gonna do is uint 8 dot set, and inside that I'm gonna pass 1 comma 2 comma 3 and the just 3. So after that what we're gonna do is log it on a console, the uint 8. Now you can get, so the first argument is the array we're gonna pass inside that 8-bit array, and the third is the while it's beginning. So this is the I'm gonna show you directly. So the third is here, the first, the second, the after the fifth, and the again it's 0. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.